In this video, I will be showing you how to edit an image in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Canva homepage and click on Create a Design in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open a blank canvas. Next, I head over to the left sidebar and click on Uploads to browse my media. I select my uploaded image to add it onto the canvas, and then I drag the corner handle to resize and fit the image properly across the entire frame. With the image placed, I click on Edit in the top toolbar to open the editing tools on the left. From here, I choose Magic Layers, allowing Canva to analyze the image. In just a moment, Canva automatically splits the image into separate, editable layers, making it easy to customize each element individually. Now, I click directly on the text layer to select it. In the top toolbar, I click on the text color icon to open up the color panel. To give the design a fresh look, I browse through the photo colors and select a bright blue shade to update the text. Once the color is applied, I close the color settings. Next, I select the subject layer on the right and click Edit in the top toolbar once again. I scroll down to the Shadows section and click See All to check the different styles. After testing out a few presets, I choose the glow effect. I click on the color swatch and select a vibrant cyan blue to match the text, and then I adjust the size, blur, and intensity sliders to create a smooth, glowing outline around the subject. Finally, I close the editing panel and click away to check our finished design. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to edit image in Canva.